Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are absolutely fine. Well, we are continuing the topic of coordinated action. In the previous video we discussed stimuli and receptors as well as coordinators as the important components of coordinated action. Now we are going to study effectors. Question number 1 on this page includes define effectors. These are the parts of body which receive messages from coordinators and produce particular responses. If they ask question in the form of what are effectors, then the answer will be these are parts to effectors. Moving towards important MCQs. The first MCQ includes in chemical coordination, various endocrine glands play the role of coordinators. They receive information in the form of various chemicals and send messages by secreting particular hormones in blood. Next MCQ is taken from the definition of effectors. These are parts of body which receive messages from coordinators and produce particular responses. In nervous coordination, neurons carry messages from coordinators to muscles and glands. These muscles and glands act as effectors. In chemical coordination, particular hormones carry messages from coordinators to particular target tissues. These target tissues act as effectors over here. Alright, the last component of coordinated action is response. Define response. On receiving the message from coordinators, the effector performs action. This action is called response. Give examples of response as a component of coordinated action. For example, pulling our hands away from something very hot and movement of the flower of sunflower towards light are responses. MCQ. First MCQ includes on receiving the message from coordinators, effector performs action and this action is response. Usually nervous coordination produces immediate but short-living response, while chemical coordination produces slow but long-living responses. Next, we are starting the topic of human nervous system, which is an important long question and most important short questions and MCQs can also be selected from this topic. However, we will discuss some of the MCQs and short questions with reference to board examination in this video. First of all, how many components of nervous system in man are there? The nervous system in man and in other higher animals is composed of two major components. First one is central nervous system and second one is peripheral nervous system. There are major two components of human nervous system. Well, this page contains only a single question, which is what is the difference between central nervous system and peripheral nervous system? Central nervous system comprises of coordinators, that is brain and spinal cord, while peripheral nervous system consists of nerves that arise from central nervous system and spread in different parts of body. All these components are made of neurons. If we see the MCQs, central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves. All the components of peripheral nervous system are composed of neurons. Next, Alright students, we are starting a new topic which is also very important regarding board examination, that is nerve cell or neuron. The second name for neuron is nerve cell. The question which arises over here firstly is, write functions of neurons. Neurons are specialized cells that are able to conduct nerve impulses from receptors to coordinators and from coordinators to effectors. In this way, they communicate with each other and with other types of body cells. This is the basic function of neuron. Another question on this page is, write the structure of neuron. Structure starts from here. The nucleus and most of cytoplasm of a neuron is located in its cell body. Different processes extend out from cell body. These are called dendrites and axons. Dendrites conduct impulses towards cell body and axons conduct impulses away from cell body. This is the basic structure of neuron. The question can also be asked from these sentences, like differentiate between dendrites and axons. Then answer would be these two sentences. Moving towards important MCQs. Nerve cell or neuron is the unit of nervous system. What is the unit of nervous system? It is nerve cell, or in other words it is neuron. The human nervous system consists of billions of neurons plus supporting cells, which are also called neuroglial cells. Next MCQ is taken from this paragraph, that is nucleus and most of the cytoplasm of a neuron is located in its cell body. Dendrites conduct impulses towards cell body and axons conduct impulses away from cell body. Well, these were some of the MCQs and short questions on this page which have been indicated already. Well, this page contains MCQs like, unlike ordinary cells, mature neurons never divide, but a protein called nerve growth factor promotes the regeneration of broken nerve cells. Which promotes the regeneration of broken nerve cells? Nerve growth factor, which is a protein. The degenerating brain cells could be repaired by using embryonic stem cells. Next, this block contains an important short question, that is, define nerve impulse, or what is nerve impulse. A nerve impulse is a wave of electrochemical changes that travels along the length of neurons. This is the proper definition of nerve impulse. Another short question on this page is, draw the structure of neurons. So this is the proper diagram of neurons with labeling. So if they ask about the diagram of neuron, you have to draw this diagram. Well students, we have completed our today's topic. Next topic will be discussed in the next video, inshallah. Okay, thank you students.